Oh shit! Oh, you fucking bit me! You fucking bit me!
I'm bleeding. You got rabies? You got rabies? I'm bleeding. Bro, this is the worst night I ever had in my life, bro. Go to the hospital. It was my fault.
I show speed, got bitten by a dog. This is the world we live in, where a man can bark aggressively at a stranger's dog and expect to not be bitten. Rolling down the street like a streamer would, and you know I roll fast, and you know I roll good. Can someone wake me up from the stream that looks like a parody, or like a bad joke, and bring us to court? Put this goddamn dog in jail, on the electric chair. I think it's not unfair. Put this goddamn dog in jail, on the electric chair. I think it's not unfair. I show speed, got bitten by a dog. Is this the world we live in, where a man can't bark aggressively at a stranger's dog and expect to not be bitten? I guess you can call me a hypocrite. After it came out, he wasn't harmed in the incident. I rewatched the whole thing again and again. I must admit, I laughed a little bit, but after further consideration, I still believe these words to be true. Put this goddamn dog in jail, on the electric chair. I think it would be fair. Put this goddamn dog in jail, on the electric chair. I think it's not fair. I show speed, got bitten by a dog. This is the world we live in, where a man can bark aggressively at a stranger's dog and
We got
expect to not be
You got rabies? I'm
bitten.
bleeding. Bro, this is the worst night I ever had in my life, bro. It was my fault.